Hello. We would like to discuss some problems around the lines. And I have prepared for you 7 problems, and the first problem would say video number 1. It is a problem number 1, line through 2 points. So if I have 2 points giving, I can calculate then my line, my equation for line. Let us say we have point A with 1 and 2, like this, and B with 3 and 12. It's all depend on situation. We can also have negative numbers. There are 2 important formulas I can give you. Just please write down. The first of them is slope or the degree gradient. Excuse me, the gradient. It was y2 minus 1 y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Very important formula, generally for calculating the gradient of my line. And the second one was n, or even b. Yes, b, it is intercept with y. X is y minus m times x. Also, this formula is very popular and also very important. Let us say, please write down, I need place now for calculating. Let us say I would like now to compute my m, my slope, my degree, my gradient. Excuse me, gradient. I forget all the time the word gradient is new for me. Normally I use the slope. Slope or gradient here would be 12 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. So we have 10 over 2. It is equal 5. 5 is very easy thing. I hope so. Now we have some problem. In German books we can see y, like line, equals mx plus n. This is German. In the Italian and English books we can see also ax plus b, but also m times x plus b. So I take this variation for my video, and up from here we call m as a gradient, okay, the first with x, and the second would be b. It is a intercept of c, yes? C, excuse me, c. Excuse me, c. Mx plus c. So it is a gradient, and c is the intercept with the y. X. Now we are calculating on this way the c. We have a formula. C was equal y minus m times x. I can use the both of points, even 1 and 2, and also 3 and 12. My idea would be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. It was my point A. 1 and 2. Okay, don't forget. It is a y. So here y is 2 minus then m. It is gradient 5 times my x. Value is 1. 2 minus 5 times 1 leads to minus 3. Now I can write down the answer for my line. My line would be y equals 5x minus 3. No more, no less. If you'd like, you can check your results. Check your results, prove your results. If you put, for example, here a 1, and calculating 5 times 1 minus 3 leads to 2. It's definitely the point 1 and 2 there. If you'd like, you can also check another point like 3 and 12. if you want to sleep well, okay, and quiet, after your test, you take 5 times this x value of 3 minus 3. Calculating 15 minus 3 leads to 12 exactly. Well done. If you like, I give you some example for self work like this. A is 3 and 1, and B would be 9 and 15. You can post the video, okay, blank key. You can press the blank key now and try for alone calculate my equation for the line. I give you here the results would be y equals 2.3 period, or 8 over 3 even, x minus 6. It is my result here. And if it is wrong, and if you would like to make even another one, here's another one example with negative numbers. Very important, negative numbers, because negative numbers make very many problems for people. B with 6 and minus 6. I only would like to see it to say, if you calculate the degree, the gradient, my goodness, and if you have the negative number, please do it with the brackets in your calculator. Very important thing. Negative numbers always with a bracket. Okay, here my answer would be y equals minus 0.5 x and then minus 3. I wish you good luck. I would like you to pause this video and try for alone, and we'll see you later. Thank you very much.